Hello everyone, this is Nicholas. So 2 days ago, Satechi introduced the aluminum stand and hub for iPad Pro. So I ordered it first thing in the morning, so now I already received it. I'm so excited and I can't wait to do an unboxing and also hands-on video for you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. So Satechi mailed this to USPS, so I literally got it from my mailbox. So let's go ahead and open it. Let me throw this away. So here's the box, here's the front, here's the back, here's the side, here's the bottom. Alright, let's go ahead and open it. Let me peel off the sticker. Surprise! Inside the box, there's another box. So there's two items inside the other box. So we have the menu with thank you in different languages. Inside it, we have two booklets. One set user menu, the other set important. And here is our Satechi aluminum stand and hub for the iPad Pro. You can see the logo Satechi over here. And it feels so good because the texture is aluminum, and then it really looks like a mini MacBook Pro. And here's the front, here's the bottom, here's the side, and at the back we have the HDMI port, we have the USB Type A port, the USB Type C port, a microphone and headphone combo jack, and a micro SD card slot and a standard SD card slot. And then inside we have a USB Type C cable which folds pretty nicely and concealed inside a carved out area over here. And we can just pull it out like this. And then this cover, or we call it a lid, it can flow almost like 270 degrees and become a stand. So it feels really solid. It definitely feels worth $100. And then at the bottom over here, you can see there's some rubber cushion to make sure it can sit and then maintain at the low position firmly. And then at the stand over here, we also have a rubber cushion at the bottom and a rubber cushion at the back to protect your iPad Pro from being accidentally scratched. So why don't we just go ahead and put the iPad Pro on it. So here I have my 2021 12.9-inch iPad Pro on my Magic Keyboard, and here I have my Satechi aluminum stand and hub for the iPad Pro. So if we want to use this for the iPad Pro, apparently we cannot also use the Magic Keyboard. There's either or, there's no both. So let's go ahead and peel it off from the Magic Keyboard, put the Magic Keyboard aside, and put our iPad Pro on our Satechi stand and hub. So this is the front, this is the side, this is the back, this is the side again, and this is the front again. It looks pretty good to me, and as you can see the front over here, even this lid, it doesn't cover the screen at all. So let's put the iPad Pro aside for now, and let's go ahead and peel off the USB Type C cable, put the iPad Pro back on the stand, and plug in the USB Type C cable. What do you think? I think it looks pretty good. And one thing to note is because the length of the USB Type C cable, so the landscape orientation is the only orientation you can go with. As you can see, there's no way you can put it in portrait mode like this. And also, there's not enough length for you to put the iPad Pro upside down in portrait mode as well. So you are basically stuck with this orientation. Why don't we also go ahead and try out all the ports to see whether they work or not? Alright, let's go ahead and try the USB Type-A port to make sure it works. Here I have my USB Type-A flash drive. At the back, we have the USB Type-A port. Let's go ahead and insert the flash drive into the port. And let me go to my files. And as you can see from my files, I have a new folder here called Next Studio. So that's my USB type, that's my flash drive. So that means the USB Type-A port works. Next, let's try the micro SD card slot. Here I have my micro SD card. And at the back, we have the micro SD card slot. So let's go ahead and insert it. And let me open File. And as you can see under File now, I have a new folder called Untitled. That's how I named my micro SD card. And then inside that, you can see 3 more folders. So that means the micro SD card slot works. Next, let's try the standard SD card slot. Here I put my micro SD card into my standard SD card adapter. And at the back, we have the standard SD card slot. Let's put that in. And then let me open File again. As you can see, we can see this Untitled drive again, which is my SD card. And underneath it, we have 3 subfolders as you have seen before. So that means the standard SD card slot also works. Next, let's also try out the 3.5mm headphone jack. Here I have my Sony headphone with the audio cable attached. And here is one of my video. I'm gonna play it with the audio on. So as soon as I plug in this audio cable, I should expect the volume will disappear from the iPad and transfer to my headphone. Let's find out.
Puberty for the second time for me. So what's so special about it? Let's take a detailed look one by one.
Yep, it works. Although there's almost like a 2-second delay, but it works. I'm happy with it. Next, let's test out the USB Type-C port as well. Let's see whether we can charge our iPad Pro through the USB Type-C port on the hub. Here I have my power extension, and here I have my power adapter. Let's plug this in. And here is the USB Type-C cable. Let's plug it to the back of the hub. And as you can see, the iPad is already charging. That means our USB Type-C port is also working. Alright, last but not least, let's also try out the HDMI port. Here you can see that I plugged the HDMI cable into the hub. And then here is my iPad Pro. You can see the home screen over here. And the cable is linked to my curved screen over here. And you can see that the TV is mirroring exactly the iPad home screen. And let's go ahead and play a video and see how it works.
It also has plastic support at the bottom and the back of the stand to prevent your iPad being scratched accidentally. One thing you do need to take note is that because of the location of the USB Type-C port on the iPad Pro,
Perfect, it worked. There you have it. What do you think? Personally, I really like it and I'm gonna keep it, but I'm not sure about you, so please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And for those who are interested to purchase it, please make sure to use my link in the description below because you can get $10 off from your first purchase from Satechi. For those who are first time here, and if you enjoy this type of video, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you are getting any value from this video, even just a little bit, I'll greatly appreciate if you can give me a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay safe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.